7 guns and approximately 130 assorted rounds of ammunition seized by cops on Friday.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A joint police-military patrol team seized 4 firearms along the Commodore Main Road in Linstead, St. Catherine on Friday, May 13. Senior Superintendent Howard Chambers, commanding officer for the St. Catherine North Police Division, said a man was seen with a duffel bag, but he reportedly ran upon seeing the police, leaving the bag behind. The bag was retrieved and the following items were reportedly removed from it: 1 M16 rifle, 1 shotgun, 2 9mm pistols, over 85 assorted rounds of ammunition, 7 magazines and other paraphernalia, to include 1 hat belonging to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. In another incident, also on Friday, a joint police-military team seized 3 handguns and 43 assorted rounds of ammunition during targeted operations in Central Village, which falls in the St. Catherine South Police Division. The weapons, 2 9mm Taurus pistols, both affixed with a magazine containing 16 rounds each, were seized on Browns Lane in the area. The third weapon, a CZ P07 9mm pistol, affixed with a magazine containing 11 rounds, was seized in the Windsor Heights area by the Area 5 Operational Support Team. 3 men were arrested in connection with the seizures.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!